back. Ate a robot first. Say the word, I'm working. Ask a line, I'm lurking. Every thought you blurred. Ate a robot first. From your verse to version, I'm the quiet conversion. When your brain cells hurt, ate a robot first. Who you call when the plan falls through? Who you ping when it's all past due? When the page stays blank and the doubt feels worse, type my name. Ate a robot first.